Nice job, dickhead. Good early decision. Sea bag.
The lemon was so nice. Everyone loved the lemon. And if we have any left, maybe make 2 lemons and then maybe a batch of chocolate or something. Because the chocolate was still... Oh, Jesus. I'm in the wrong lane then to be turning, sunshine. I sat and did all my crochet.
Yep.
But...
I'm a bike, now I'm a pedestrian. Asshole.
Yeah.
Asshole.
Yeah. Straight through.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, of course. I said to you, they'll go straight through.
Baby, temperature isn't cheap. I picture the fall in love with you. Such a gold digger. Oh, shit sticks.
He came flying out there, didn't he?
I was trying to beat the guy turning right in front of him, plus the guys going in front of him coming the other direction. Red light too. There he goes, what a champion.
And through it.
Yeah.
Change lanes through it.
Wow, you're late, you jackhead. And I wash my face and comb my hair and move down the stairs. Fucking asshole.
Week it'd be a bit scary. Like when he gets lunch
Nice
or...
U-turn, good job, dude. Because stopping fucking isn't in your fucking vocabulary, you dumb. If they're from, if they're from, you dipshit. Don't you see the stop sign? Apparently not.
We'll have that one.
Either one of those two, I don't really care.
Let this fella through. Oh my god. Just reverse. Where the fuck are you going, you stupid person?
They're not even going to get most of the way out. They're going to fucking do a 3-point turn to get out. Fucking donkey. God, fucking damn it.
This guy's just like...
Dipshit.
Yay! That was terrible. Absolutely terrible.
That's a video, that is.